Welcome to our color series, and today it is going to be another summer refreshing drink, and it's going to be Blue Ocean. How does it taste like? Stay tuned until the end of this clip, and we are going to make 3 delicious drinks out of this Blue Ocean syrup. Welcome back. Today is all about Blue Ocean. How does Blue Ocean taste like? Well, it is supposed to be sweet and salty. So, typical of my channel, I do use syrup for some of my drinks, but instead of making it purely syrup and making the taste quite synthetic, I pair it with something natural. And today, I am going to pair my Blue Ocean syrup, which is sweet and salty, with something sour, and I'm going to pair it with lemon. What we are going to make today are 3 delicious drinks in 16 ounces cups, and it's going to be first Blue Ocean lemon, second it is sparkling Blue Ocean, third it is Blue Ocean lemon tea. And to make it more exciting, I'm going to add jellies. These are jellies, not tapioca pearls, although they look like tapioca pearls. And I'm going to make this optional for you. If you do have any jelly that you can put on your drink, it'll just make it more premium. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I'm going to use Blue Ocean syrup. Here's a local brand. You can use any bluish color. And I'm going to use soda water for my sparkling Blue Ocean lemon juice, and then I'm going to use green tea. Now this is my brewed green tea. I use a regular green tea here, steep it for 10 minutes. Because it's green tea, I use only 1 tea bag, and I have here my strongly brewed green tea. And finally, I'm going to use fresh lemon to squeeze into my drink. For the first drink, it is going to be plain Blue Ocean lemon juice. And we are going to first make our Blue Ocean juice, and for this I'm going to use the proportion which is 1 part syrup to 5 parts water. So I'm going to use 150 ml of water here, and I'm going to add 30 ml of my Blue Ocean syrup, which is 4 pumps. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is my Blue Ocean juice, and I'd like it to be more natural, and that's why I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon into this drink. Stir to combine the drink together, and then we are going to assemble our drink. Fill your cup with ice, pour the juice over, add a slice of lemon, and the surprise ingredient for this drink, it is red jellies, making it unicorn, blue and red. And we have our Blue Ocean lemon with jelly. So this is now a unicorn drink. 1 drink down, next drink it is sparkling lemon Blue Ocean. For this drink, we are going to start with the syrup at the bottom. I need 30 ml or 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it is very, very blue. And then I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon into this syrup. And then I'm going to add the soda water. Okay, stir. Fill your cup with ice. And then fill it with more soda water to the top. And for this one, I'm going to put purple jellies. Absolutely optional, but it is nice to have. And we have our sparkling lemon Blue Ocean. Final drink, it is Blue Ocean lemon tea. The syrup at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add water there. Stir. Fill it with ice. And we are going to top it up with green tea. Finally, our slice of lemon to garnish. And for this one, we are going to either leave it at this point, or we can again add our jellies on top. Squeeze lemon into your Blue Ocean lemon tea. So Blue Ocean lemon tea, sparkling Blue Ocean lemon, and Blue Ocean lemon juice. 3 delicious drinks here, looking very blue. Let's give this a try. Well, the first one is very simple. One is only the plain lemon Blue Ocean drink with the red jelly. Now you can see the jelly right at the bottom here. Wow. Time to give it a try. Wow. The Blue Ocean tastes like salt and sweet. It kind of reminds you of being on the beach, really. Delicious. Let's try the second one, which is Blue Ocean lemon green tea. I like the look of it with that 2 layered there, the green one, the red jelly, and the blue bottom. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm really liking this one. Wow, Blue Ocean. Salty and sweet, and that sour taste of the lemon. It is refreshing. And finally, this has got to be the most refreshing of them all because it is sparkling Blue Ocean lemon, or sparkling lemon Blue Ocean. When you make as many drinks as I do, you tend to forget the names, but I always do a research and I try different combinations of drinks, and so far I don't publish them unless I like the drink, so rest assured. Hands down, this is the most refreshing of them all, the tastiest one of them all because of the fizzy sparkling soda water. And so I would say this is my number 1, followed by the green tea, and last but absolutely not the least, it is the plain Blue Ocean lemon juice. Well, there you go, 3 delicious drinks using Blue Ocean syrup here, paired with fresh lemon to make it more natural and absolutely refreshing. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.